Boys season is going to end and Real Madrid once again trophyless. So the like main systematic error like manager error. So today we are going to see Real Madrid are looking for manager who will be the next manager. Like if you see this season started with Xabi Alonso. My opinion was Xabi Alonso was best, but he was not capable to control dressing room pressures and egos of like Mbappe dictator and Vinicius Junior. So we will try, like we will see like who can come or who need to come that can control their egos. So the first option was like everywhere rumors like Urgent Klopp, Liverpool manager, but recently you'll see he said no to Real Madrid. Yeah, he said no. The second choice is France international manager Didier Deschamps. Like I will say, he is not too good. Like yeah, he is capable. He went to two FIFA finals, and one that one and other he lost. But he is not capable as much because his playing style is like built around one player, most probably his captain Kylian Mbappe. And if he do same in Real Madrid, problem is like same Vinicius and Mbappe go, so it is not solution to Real. I will say it's not solution. So, but everyone is looking for new manager. But some rumors are coming about Arbeloa. Like Vinicius wants Arbeloa to stay because he gave him too much time. Like 20 games, none of them he was substituted. Like that's why Vinny want, and other two constituents are Thibaut Courtois and Valverde. Like in Xabi Alonso, like Valverde was like extremely disrespected. Like Valverde is done, he is over. But in Arbeloa, अंडर आर्बेलोआ लाइक भाई बंते ने क्या परफॉर्मेंस दिया, फाड़ दिया भाई, सिस्टम को फाड़ दिया बलवर्ते ने। वो मैन सिटी वाला जो उसने किया था सेमीफाइनल्स में, सेमीफाइनल क्वार्टर फाइनल्स में यूसीएल के क्वार्टर फाइनल को राउंड ऑफ 16, ठीक है। तो आई विल से आर्बेलोआ इज गुड बट ही विल नॉट स्टे. So let's see our final pick. Last but not the least, the king, the goat, the go-test player. No, player night go-test manager, Jose Mourinho. My pick, I will prefer Jose Mourinho on everyone. Didier Deschamps, Jurgen Klopp, Arbeloa. Like real time, my bad problem is egos. And if you see Jose Mourinho career, he controls egos. By he played with Ronaldo and Iker Casillas. He controlled Iker Casillas, Ronaldo, Modric, Cruz, Benzema. एम्बापे विनीसियस की को भी उनके झाड़ के बाल के बराबर नहीं है. तो यही बात मुझे जोसे मरीनो चाहिए. आई वांट जोसे मरीनो. Like in other cases, Jose Mourinho is very successful man in entire football history. Like he goes like next to next 6 leagues and he win all. And Inter Milan, at Chelsea, at Porto, even at Real Madrid, he went league but with 100 points. भाई मैंने तो बहुत बकवास कर ली इस टॉपिक के बारे में. आई डिड रियली शिट. तो तुमको भी अगर कोई बकवास करनी है तो नीचे कमेंट में अपना ओपिनियन दो और शेयर करो नीचे कमेंट में. जाओ जल्दी. तो बाय.